I'm Rosie with the Thinkery. Welcome to Thinkery at Home. Today I've been playing and exploring with this ramp. A ramp is a type of simple machine, also called an inclined plane. And today we're also going to explore some ways that you can make a ramp in your house using recycled materials. Ramps are a great way to explore force and gravity. Here I have a car on the ground. When it's on the flat surface, it's not moving. I wonder what would happen if I gave it a push though. What do you think will happen? Let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Look at that! It rolled all the way over there. In physics, a force is a type of energy that changes the movement of an object. In this case, the car. So when I push it, that's one way we're using force. Now let's see what happens when we place our car on the top of the ramp. What do you think will happen? Do you think it'll stay still like it was on the ground? Let's see. I'm gonna count to 3 and let go, and then we can watch what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that. The car rolled down. I didn't even have to push the car. It was the force of gravity that pulled it down the ramp. So now that we know a little bit more about ramps, let's see how we can make them in our own homes so we can keep learning about force and gravity. For this activity, you can use any materials you might find in your house. And they might look different than what I used today, but that's okay. Some suggested materials are cardboard, tape, empty boxes, heavy items such as books, canned food, or chairs. And lastly, you'll also need a toy car or a ball to roll down your ramp. Now that we have our recycled materials, let's get started. Today I'm going to use a piece of cardboard and this chair. You might use a table or a dresser. Anything that is taller than the floor will work. Now I'm going to secure the cardboard with some tape to the chair. If you don't have any tape at your house, you can also use something heavy to weigh the cardboard down, like cans of foods or a sack of books. Now that our top is secure, it's time to secure the bottom. To do this, I'm going to use some heavy books that I found, but you can use anything you might find. Experiment with different items to see what works best for you. Wow, look at that! We made our very own ramp out of materials that were going to be recycled. Now that our ramp is ready, we can choose what we want to roll down the ramp. You might choose to use a car or a ball or any small item that you can find. Now let's explore our ramp. Let's see how different things move on it. I'm going to try the ball first. Let's see how it rolls. Ready, set, go. Wow, look at that. The ball rolls all the way across the room. Let's try this. Let's try our car. Oh, my ball rolled back. Ready, set, go. Wow, look at that. You can explore with so many different toys to try rolling them down your ramp. You can also try racing 2 different items at the same time. Do they move the same speed? Which one went further? Why do you think they move differently? Let's try. Wow, look at that. What did you notice? You can also try building your ramps at different heights, maybe a little taller or a little shorter. What do you notice happening? Are your objects moving in the same ways? I can't wait to see what kind of ramps you build. Thank you so much for joining me for this activity. If you decide to try it, just make sure to tag any photos or videos with #ThinkeryAtHome. See you next time.